Life becomes easier when you let go of the unneeded stress. If it's out of your control, don't let it worry you, because you can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith that things will work out. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never give you anything you can't handle. So don't stress. If today is wrong, tomorrow will be right. And if today is right, something might go wrong tomorrow according to you. But according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it did not go wrong. It was His plan. So trust Him. He will not let you down. Allah's promise is absolute. When we place our trust in Him, He takes care of us. This does not mean that we won't face difficulties or trials, but it means that we can face them with a heart full of faith, knowing that Allah's plan is always for our best. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us not to burden ourselves with unnecessary stress. He tells us that He is aware of our struggles and is there to guide us through them. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Don't stress," these words are a soothing balm for our worried hearts, a reminder that we are not alone in our struggles. Allah, the most merciful, is with us in every step of the way. Life's challenges are a part of our journey, and with every difficulty comes ease. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has designed this world in a way that tests us, refines us, and ultimately leads us closer to Him. Believe in the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and remember that you are never alone on this journey. Allah's guidance is a beacon of light that leads us through the darkness. Let's embrace that light, let go of excessive stress, and move forward with hope, resilience, and unwavering faith. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all and grant you strength and peace.